Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I have an unboxing video for you. My husband ordered for me many items from Some by Me. They have really amazing and high quality skincare products. So they had a sale. My husband ordered from them and I don't know what he ordered actually. He asked me some questions what I need, and this is basically a surprise. So let's unbox together. You see, this box is huge. I really have no clue what my husband ordered. So please leave your guesses down below in the comments. What do you think he bought? And maybe you should also guess how many items he bought for me. I'm really curious to find out, so let's dive into this. I say he ordered maybe 10 items. Let's say 10 items. It's so funny. The box is way bigger than what is inside. I will show you. So this is the box and this is what we got. A little bit more air than expected, but that's fine. Okay, I would say we find together out what he bought for me. By the way, it's very late already. We got the package yesterday, and yeah, I'm so sorry for my appearance. It's super hot here in Korea, but I still wanted to do this today, so you can watch this very soon. Okay, let's see. First of all, we have this. Oh my god, I think with 10 items I'm so wrong, because in this bag we already have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Who guessed 7? You lost. Okay, let's take a look. Oh my god, there's so many. Okay, we have red tea tree. I don't even know how to pronounce that. It's a serum. And we have 1, 2 of them. We got 2. My husband is also using serum, so it's 1 for him, 1 for me, I guess. Then we have from the same red tea tree, we have a toner. They also, if you ever want to buy from them, even though it's a Korean company, they have like instructions written in English too. So don't worry about that. Oh no, another serum. Okay, we got 3. Woo! I'm happy. What else we got? Amino peeling ampoule. And we got 2 of the vitamin tone-up cream. You know, Asians always want to be as white as possible, so this cream basically makes your skin white and anti-wrinkle. That's nice. So next, what do we have here? Ooh, that looks like a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, so we have 1 of these face sheet masks. I really can't wait to try them out. And then we have travel kit edition. We have inside a toner, a serum and a cream. So I could just open one because one sticker's already like open. I'll show you how it looks like. These bottles are not so big. Perfect for traveling. And I already tried these out and they're really amazing. It feels super fresh. Your skin will feel super fresh. You will feel so awake. I love these. And then we have, let's choose this one. Oh. Okay, I see we have two of the same, I guess. Calm Kale Soothing Cream. 2 packages. And we have a black pork hair clay mask. Last but not least, OMG, what is that? Oh, okay, that is a lot. We have foam cleanser, okay, 3 foam cleanser. And then we have the same essence. And last but not least, foam scrub, cleansing and scrub. Yeah, and I think that's it. Oh no, I forgot the Hydro Max Cream Hyaluronic Acid Hefter System. It's this one. Never tried this out, so can't wait to use it. Yeah, these are basically all items we had in this huge box. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really recommend this brand. They are sometimes a little bit expensive. These were sales items, so these were super cheap. I highly recommend this brand. This is no ad. My husband loves this brand and he made me love it too, so try it out. I really recommend it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.